Hello everyone and welcome back again. So as mentioned in the previous video, I'm going to be pulling out the giant kohlrabi that we've got left here. I was planning on leaving it in to go to seed, but I don't see it lasting our winter and not rotting off. I had thought about maybe putting some polythene over here, but I just don't think it's worth bothering with. So I'm going to get it pulled out, get it weighed up and see what we would have been able to take with us to Melbourne. Hey mate?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to take that out.
Take it out.
Take it out, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not really sure the best way to go about this, but we'll start removing some foliage. Buckets to put this in. I pass you the leaves, you put them in there, okay? Good boy. Obviously, if I was taking this to the show, I'd be taking a lot more care doing this. Outside. This is just for my own personal records and something to aim at for next year. Definitely a lot bigger than the other one. Put them in the box. Boy. Yes, because this is a shaft. It's a shaft. Take out of it. That box.
No.
Box.
It's rolling.
Yep, put it in the box.
Oh,
Oh, close. So close.
oh, jump.
Oh, that bit broke off.
Yeah, gold!
That, not a bad size. Obviously, there was a lot bigger at the shows.
Go, yeah!
I'm going to weigh it up and see what it weighs. We'll take it in the polytunnel to do that. I will remove the roots. Obviously they would want it tidied up a lot more, but I ain't got time for that.
Help me.
Right then guys, so cut the roots off and giving it a quick rinse. It's quite heavy. I've got the scales on the side here. It's 11.35. Yeah, 11.35 kilograms. So, I think the first place in Malvern was 40 something kilos, which would have been 4 times bigger than that. Wow. So, for the first time attempting to grow giant kohlrabi, I don't think that's too bad of an attempt. Yeah, I'd have had to have cleaned up a lot more. Don't think I would have got a placement, but it's taking part that counts, and I enjoyed growing them and I learned a few things. I'm definitely going to be having a go at growing them again next year. Yeah, room to the chickens. Right, well, they can enjoy the foliage. Not too sure what to do with the actual kohlrabi itself. I might stick it in here for them. But I'll let them have the foliage first, so they enjoy that. I'm going to leave them to enjoy that for now, and crack on clearing out the rest of that polytunnel and sorting things out. For now, that's going to be it for today. So to say thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.